Hello everyone and welcome to Creative Titan. Today I'm going to show you my speed painting using Procreate to draw the Witchblade. I have always been a huge fan of this top cow character, so I can't wait to show you the process and the final result. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified when something new is posted. At the end of the video, I will tell you how you can get your very own digital copy of the finished illustration, so stick around.
My soul is free again. I can breathe again. I'm letting go of all I know, all I know. No hiding from the light, departure from the night. Reap what you sow. What you sow. Creators and destroyers. Is this how it ends? Oh, where salvation begins.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. If you would like to have your very own finished digital illustration of the Witchblade, there is a link in the description below. Click on the link, enter your email, and you will receive your own digital copy. Don't worry about spam. The only emails you'll receive will be related to the YouTube channel. Links to our social media are listed below and at the top of the channel page. Make sure to check out these other binge-worthy videos.